What's going on, guys? My name is Alexander Mazai with NFTS.tips, and we're going to teach you about non-fungible tokens. So let's go. This is the step 2 of level 1, and we got to go from fiat, which is dollars, euros, pounds, yens, wherever you live. You need to move that into cryptocurrencies. So we got Ethereum, we got Polygon or Matic or Tezos. These are 3 chains that we want to educate you guys on. If you guys are interested, you can open these into new tabs. Open this in a new tab. And this is just the website where you can read the white papers and understand a little bit more. We're not going to go into all that right now, but I just wanted to let you know where this is going to go. So you can see that this is just their website, and you can understand everything. And I think you could spend some time just understanding what it is and how it works. So each one has their own website, and that's where you go to learn about those. Over here, we're going to teach you about recommended exchanges. So these are exchanges that you can sign up with, and you can use Coinbase, KuCoin, Gemini, Uniswap, Binance, Kraken, Portis, SushiSwap, QuickSwap, PancakeSwap, Cash App, Clever Wallet. All of these are called on and off ramps. And some of them, like Coinbase, these keep your seed phrases and your keys, so when they're on this account, you don't have access to them. So just be aware of that. There are 7 states that do not let you buy crypto, so if you're one of those states, we're going to eventually have extra tools and tricks for you guys, and the international options are coming soon. But for right now, there's a little bit more information that has to be shared. One of the things is called KYC, Know Your Customer. Can you give us a little understanding of what that is, Glassy?
KYC is a law that was passed in the United States that requires companies to understand who their customers are, specifically banking customers. So you'll find on almost everywhere you turn that you're going to find a situation where people are asking for for a picture of your license or proof of your identity. That's what KYC is. It's basically a set of regulations that these companies have to abide by. And so if you're going to do something like, you could buy Ethereum on your Coinbase, no problem. But if you want to send that Ethereum from Coinbase to another wallet, like MetaMask or somewhere else, you'll find that they're going to ask you for your name and your information. And generally it's like a photo of your face, and also of your front and back of your license or passport.
And it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is just take the picture and everything. But we're gonna have a special video because I don't want to do that one live because it takes a little bit more time and you gotta blur out things. So we're just gonna skip to the next level so you guys can keep moving along. Once you got the cryptocurrency in your wallet, it might take a few days to actually get verified. What's going on, guys? My name is Alexander Mazai with NFTS.tips.